So I'm not sure how to feel about this with the Vancouver situation and the overdose crisis. I'm all for helping people with getting clean and sobriety. I'm all for assisting people and people reaching out. Now, I don't know how I feel, on the other hand, about activists going out and handing out free cocaine and methamphetamines and heroin in the neighborhood. Activists give out free samples of cocaine, meth, and heroin in Vancouver. Activists took to the streets of Vancouver, downtown Eastside, on Wednesday to give out free, clean samples of meth, cocaine, and heroin to raise awareness for British Columbia's ongoing overdose crisis. The Drug User Liberation Front, the group behind the protest, handed out the substances in order to demonstrate how drug regulation can save users' lives. The protest also marks the grim 5-year anniversary of British Columbia's declaring the opioid crisis a public health emergency. The drugs that were given out by the Drug User Liberation Front were sourced from the dark web and tested by the group for fentanyl and fentanyl analogs, as well as other harmful contaminants. The packages were also clearly labeled with percentages of the substance they contained. Several participants marveled at the packaged drugs with labels showing exactly what they would be taking. Scott Joynson told the Tai that he'd never taken unadulterated cocaine and had overdosed several times. If it was done with government backing, then we would know what is in our drugs. If it was sold in stores, people would know what consenting adults, he said. Take a look at what's going on. The black market is forcing us to take adulterants, which are killing us. This all came as the city of Vancouver and provinces of BC are petitioning Health Canada to decriminalize simple possession of all drugs. Wow. I all I can say is really wow. So it says also this would mean anyone carrying 3 grams of opioids, 3 grams of cocaine, 1 gram of crack, or 1.5 grams of amphetamines would not be criminally charged. Wow. You could see here the numbers. I'm not going to read them. I'm not going to humor it. Through province-wide decriminalization, we can reduce the fear and shame that keep people silent after their drug use and support people to reach out for help, life-saving supports, and treatments. I certainly have sympathy for Vancouver's situation, as the drug crisis has been an ongoing one for many, many years. Now, I don't know. I'm curious to hear your opinions on this situation. Do you feel it's a good idea to hand this out so that people come forward? Or do you feel it's going to just perpetuate more of the same cycle? Or what options do you see available? What do you think would be some better solutions?